Good morning from Grand Plain Farm. It's August 21st, 2025. It's around 9:30. And so far it's a beautiful day. I think it's like 68 degrees right now. Sky is nice and blue. Everyone fed. And as soon as I get the water done, then I'll start watering the pasture grass again. And again, this little goat came up to me hoping for some weeds. Well, the herd of 7-Eleven chickens come around into the barn, see if there's any better stuff for them. I don't understand that. They have food in the old goat pen where they've been staying. There's Spaz, thing for mice. Alright, got the water going again. I'm going to take care for now. What are you doing in there? I locked myself in a pen. Dang goat. Pig did that yesterday. There, now you're free again. Silly goat. Anyway, it's starting to get warm, so I'm gonna get busy. So, I'll catch you later.